We're going camping tonight and needed something to eat on. Paper plates are wasteful, so I wanted a better solution, and I found just that. A wheat straw dinnerware set, and it comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need and more. Inside the box, you have a total of 32 pieces of dinnerware. There's 8 dessert plates, 8 dinner plates, 8 bowls, and 8 cups. Enough for everyone. The dishes have a raised rim to help keep your food in. They're lightweight and, most importantly, made out of wheat straw. This is a natural material and is a smart alternative to ceramic or paper plates. They have a similar feel to plastic and are going to be much more durable. They aren't going to chip or break when you drop them, and I've even microwaved them. But the main reason I got these, they are lightweight and portable, so I can take them with me camping. I cooked up some food, and there was enough plates for everyone. Even the huskies got a bite to eat. Then the next day, I took the dishes home and gave them a wash. The wheatgrass cleans up nicely and looks good as new. I can honestly say that I like the look of these plates. They may not be the fanciest, but they aren't going to break. They save a ton of space, and it comes with so many that you'll be using them to eat snacks on the regular. So if you're looking for a smart alternative to paper or ceramic plates, ones that are perfect for camping, kid safe, lightweight, and reusable, this wheat straw dinnerware set might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go finish eating dinner on my new wheat straw plates. See ya!